If you are ready for the class, smile and stand up. If you are ready for the class, smile and stand up. Smile and stand up. I want everybody smiling and standing. If you are not smiling, then you are not happy. Okay, just very happy. Okay. Katta is also very happy. So everybody is ready with your smiles. So now quickly close your eyes, join your hands, stand up straight. Everybody has to stand up. When I say prayer is standing, joining hands, and standing together and closing your eyes.
Joining hands.
Very good. Very good, Yash. Very good, Abhigna. Okay. Now let's begin with the prayer. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. Thank you, God, for everything. You can open your eyes now. Wish you a very good morning. Hope we'll have a great fun today in the class since it's Friday. Okay, so now I request everybody to sit down. Everybody to sit down. Okay, so now I request you all, since we know, open your eyes, everybody. Abhigna, Yash. So the theme, as everybody knows, is nobody knows the theme for the week. I heard one of them saying
Pet animals.
very good. So the last day to study all about pet animals. If you all have any doubt or you all want to ask me anything, you all can do it today itself. From next week, it will be a new day, new week. Yes, Rudraksh is showing me here, the two pet animals on his palm. These are my two animals with whom I play, I enjoy, I give them names, I have fun with it. Okay. Swapni is also showing his palm. So, today is the last day to learn all about pet animals. Pet animals is nothing but the animals who stay with us, with whom we play, whom we tame them, whom we feed them, with whom we play with, to whom we give nice, cute names, and we feel good or we feel happy when they are around us. We are not scared. We are happy when they are around us. So this is all about pet animals. Very simple line you'll have to remember. Animals which stay with us, with whom we play, with whom we have fun. They are like companions for us, whose company we like. Okay, those are pet animals. So different types of pet animals today we need to learn is, which animal is this?
Cat.
Okay, what does cat? How does a cat make a sound?
Meow, meow.
Each voice, it makes it sound, right?
Yes.
Yes. So, see, cats can be cats, not only cats, all the animals can be, most of the animals can be of different colors, sizes, and shapes also. Since I guess I've shown in mid of the week also, today being Friday, few of your friends also joined. So I'll show it again. Which animal is this? A golden cat. Yes, it's a cat. See, it has whiskers, it has, and every cat will have whiskers. Whiskers are nothing but the hair which you will see near their mouth. Whiskers, we call them as whiskers. Okay, this is a cat. This is also a cat. See how many types and sizes and shapes. I have a black cat also. With its 8 tails. I have a cat.
Black cat.
Yes,
Black cat man.
yes, and all the cats make the same sound. See, the cat is calling all the kids. Come to my class, come to my class. Yes, Raven.
Okay.
This is also a cat, okay? I guess I can have one more. Yes, I can show you.
Cat baby is kitten. Cat baby is kitten.
Yes, correct. And the baby cats are called
Kitten. Kitten man.
the baby cats are called kittens, and they eat fishes. They eat fishes. The house of any cat is called cattery. They stay with us in our house in one of the corner of the room, but if there are many cats outside your house together staying, we are called as the house, or the home is called as cattery. Okay? And then the next one, the next animal. Woof, 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 bow, bow. Woof, woof, woof. Dog. Yes. Second pet animal which we learn. The second pet animal which we learn is dog. And dogs are the best friends. Dogs are one second. The dogs are the best friends of most of the animals. You know, most of the families.
Baby.
One family can have 10 dogs, 5 dogs also.
What? Baby.
Dogs. Yes, correct. Yes, Akhil? What did you say? Sorry. So, a dog can be of different shapes, sizes, colors also. The second, the baby dogs. The baby dogs are called puppies. The favorite food of dog is, yes, bone. Favorite food is bone. Baby dog is called puppy. And the house of a dog is called kennel. Yesterday and last 2 days I'm showing a PPT, right? Yes, Adhya, good morning.
Kennel.
Say,
Good morning, ma'am. Kennel.
good morning. Yes, so this is dog and the house. The home of a dog is called kennel or kennel. Okay? Next one is what we need to learn is all about rabbit. All about rabbit. Okay? Rabbit. The favorite food or the baby rabbits are also called as kittens. The baby rabbits are also called as kittens, and the favorite food of rabbits is carrot. Yesterday I have shown that also, correct? Yes, carrot. They love eating carrot. You know, you give them plenty of carrots, they eat them happily because it's their favorite food. Like your favorite food is the junk food, right? The chocolates, ice creams, chips, Maggie, all these things you love to eat, no? The same way rabbits love to eat carrots, healthy food. We'll learn about them also in the coming weeks. This is this, and the house of a rabbit is called hutch. The house of a rabbit is called hutch. It's just like a cake, but a different name, hutch. Next one. Who said that? Parrot. Yes. The next animal or a bird as a pet we keep it in our house is parrot. Parrot. By now you also have learned the spelling also because I'm showing every day. Parrot. Okay. And parrots, the baby parrots which comes out of egg are called chicks. And the home in which we keep are called cages. The cage. The parrot lives. The favorite food of parrot is okay. The favorite food is green chilies, mirchi. Spicy, thicky mirchi. So the favorite food of parrots is mirchi. Okay. And they have one more thing I didn't say. All the parrots will have a red beak. If you all see any parrot, see in this picture also, in this flashcard also, you all can see a red beak because parrots have a red sharp beak with which they eat nuts, grains, fruits, and chilies, everything. Whatever they want to eat or hold it, they don't have big hands because they have big wings. So they hold it with their this sharp beak. I forgot to say this. All the parrots will have a red beak. Okay, and Parrots can fly high in the sky. They stay in the cage. Baby parrots are called chicks. Okay, did I miss anything? And the favorite food is chilies. Okay, this will go inside now. And the last animal, I do have because the last one, since I don't have a flashlight, I'll show it here. Fish. The last animal is fish. Fishes stay in water. So in our house, if we are keeping fishes, then it is called as aquarium. The house of the fish, the home of the fish is called aquarium. And the baby fishes are called fry. Baby fishes are called fry. Okay. And they eat the fish feed, which is all nuts or worms. Fish feed, we call them as fish feed. These are the different things about 5 pet animals which we need to learn and remember. So today's homework for you all the week.
Get ready with your thing. Okay, I'll again repeat the materials which you need. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Everyone unmute yourself. Yes. So today we are going to do a fun Friday activity. So I hope all of you are ready with the things. I'll again repeat what all things are required. So we need 2 pieces of bread.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
We are not getting your video.
I think, ma'am, everyone is able to see me. Are you all able to see me, children?
Yeah, we can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Ma'am, please log out and log in once again.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So everyone, first I want all of you to off your videos. Quickly, off your cameras, children, so that network connectivity is good. Yeah, everyone off your cameras. Just look at me, what I'm showing you. Yeah, all of you can off your cameras, okay? So look, children, what all things are required for this activity? We need 2 pieces of bread. Okay, listen to me first. We need a bowl, okay, a small bowl or a katori, okay, which has the sharp edge. If you don't have scissor, you can use this katori for cutting your bread into a circle, because we are going to make a bear today. Okay, we are going to do non-flame cooking. Okay, so I have this little chocolate sauce with me, and you need a cake. Okay, swap and mute yourself.
Okay.
Okay, so again I am repeating, you need 2 pieces of bread, you need chocolate sauce, you need a toothpick, you need a bowl which has this sharp edge, okay, you need a scissors also. I am using these are my kitchen scissors which I am using. If you have other scissors also, just wash it and you can use it. I have this biscuit, so you can either use a circle biscuit, okay, a circular one, or a rectangular biscuit, okay, any shape. Yeah. So once again, children, what all things are required? 2 pieces of bread, okay, 2 pieces of bread, little bit of chocolate sauce, a toothpick, a katori, a round katori or a bowl which has the sharp edge sides, and we need a biscuit, only a single biscuit. If you have a circular one, that is also good. If you have a simple rectangular one, that will be okay. Okay, so shall we start with the thing? Shall we start with the thing? So first of all, children, okay. So first of all, I'll tell you that this bread needs to be cut into a big circle. We need a big circle out of this bread. So there are 2 ways. First will be, you can use your scissor to cut out a circle. Okay. Second will be, you can use your katori, your round katori or your bowl to make a circle. So how to do that, children? Look here. Just put your katori on your bread and press it with both of your hands. Okay, you need to press it with both of your hands like this. So look, you have got this circle shape. Once again, yeah. So now mute yourself. So from the other side also, put your katori and just press it, and you'll get this circle out of
Professor. Bye.
Your bread. Look here how I got this circle. Can you see this? How I got this circle? So what I have done, very easy, just put your bread on the plate. With the help of your katori, just press your katori in the center, yeah, and you'll get out this circle. So 2 circles you need. Okay, you need 2 circles for this activity. So one I have shown you. If you don't have,
So basically, I have to make notes. Prof asked me to remind, so now I have to make notes of what exactly I have to remind everybody.
who is talking? Manya, mute yourself. Yeah. So we need 2 circular pieces of bread. Got it? Okay. So what we need to do next, children? So 1 piece of bread, okay, 1 circular piece of bread, cut out a small triangle from below. Cut out a small triangle from below. 1 line, like 1 cut from here and 1 cut from the other side, and you will get this triangle. Got it? So this was my circular bread. Okay, this was my circular bread. I have cut out a small piece from 1 bread. Okay, from 1 circle we need to cut out a small piece. So 1 cut from here, 1 cut from here, and you will get a shape like this. Got it, everyone? So now I have 2 circular pieces of bread, and 1 piece of bread we need to give a small cut. Okay, did you cut your bread? Yeah, very nice, Rudraksha. That's wonderful. Very good. Okay, so next will be your decoration. Okay, next part will be your decoration. So how you need to do this decoration, I will tell you. On your full circle, 1 circle we have cut. Okay, on your full circle, you need to make 2 small eyes. I'll show you how to make those small eyes. Use your toothpick and your chocolate sauce and just make 2 small eyes. I'll show you how I have made that. With the help of your toothpick, you need to make 2 small eyes. So we are making a bear. So we are making the eyes of our bear. So I'll show you how I made these eyes. 1 second. So with the help of my toothpick, I have made these 2 eyes. Look here, children, how I made these 2 eyes. With my chocolate sauce, you need to make these 2 eyes. Use your toothpick, dip it into your chocolate sauce and make these 2 small eyes. Can everyone see? So next will be, you need to make a round nose. Okay, you need to make a big round nose. So I'll show you how to make the nose also. It is same. Just showing you, 1 second. So just make this round nose also. Look here, everyone. So I have made 2 small eyes and a round nose. Can you see? With the help of my chocolate sauce, I have made these 2 small eyes and a big round nose. Wonderful, Swapan. Shanvi, very good. Yeah, Swapan is doing. Yeah, Shanvi, beautiful, very nice. Good. Okay, so next will be, you need to make a small standing line below your nose. I'll show you that, how to make that. With your toothpick only, you need to make a small standing line. Look here. I have made this small standing line below my nose. With the chocolate sauce only, you need to make this small standing line. We are making a bear face. For the bear face, we need to make 2 small eyes and a big nose and a standing line below the nose. And at last we need to make a mouth. So for the mouth we need to make a curved line below. With the chocolate sauce only, use your toothpick and make this. So did you all make this standing line below the nose? Yes or no? Yeah, beautiful. I can see a new demo child. Very nice. It's beautiful. Very good. What's your name?
Abhinya.
Getiga.
Abhinya.
Abhinya.
Abhijna.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, so next will be, we need to make the mouth of a bear. Okay, so how to make the mouth? 1 second, I'll show you. Just let me make. Take your chocolate sauce.
Chocolate sauce. Chocolate sauce.
Like this, you need to make the mouth. Look here, everyone. So like this, you need to make the mouth of your bear. Easy. 2 small eyes, a round nose, a standing line, and a curved line, which will be the mouth of the bear. Beautiful, Gata. Wow, it's cute. Very good. If you have done this, you can show it to me. So now look here, children, what you need to do. So now what you need to do, children, look here. So this is my face and this is the lower part we have. Look,
No, నేను practice
you put it like this, okay? So you can join it using chocolate sauce also. So this is the part which we have cut from the circle, okay? This needs to be here, below your circle, okay?
Ma'am, we can't see, ma'am. Thoda upar. Okay.
Now are you able to see? So this is the face part. This will be up, and the next piece of that, the second piece of bread which we have cut from here, the triangle one, this needs to be below the face part. So the body of a bear is ready. The body part of a bear is ready. All of you got this body part? Look like this. Are you able to see, children? Yeah, beautiful. So now the last thing will be to make the ears of a bear. So for making the ears, what you can do, you can take a circular biscuit, you can cut it into half and make 2 small ears for your bear. Or either what you can do, if you're taking this rectangular biscuit, then cut it into half. First cut your biscuit into half like this, okay? Then cut out a small semicircle out of your biscuit, okay? Semicircle is a half circle. So we'll just cut out a small semicircle from our biscuit. So with the help of my scissor, I am cutting it. So look here, I got this small semicircle. So with your biscuit, you can just cut out a small semicircle with the help of your scissor. So these will be the ears of your bear. Easy. So these will be the ears of a bear. Simple. If you have a round biscuit, cut it into half. But those ears will be very big. You need to trim it a little bit. Okay, cut it a little bit. If you have some other decoration material, you can use that also. So look here. My bear is ready. I'll just show you how it looks like. So look here, children. I made these 2 small ears for my bear. Can you all see? So this was a non-clean cooking we have done today. And children, you need not to throw this bread. What you can do, eat these biscuits and this And this decoration part, the bear which we have made, you can put some more chocolate sauce or jam on it and you can eat this bread, okay? So I hope everybody's bear is ready. You can just click your pictures, okay? Hold it in your hand, just click your pictures and post it in the WhatsApp group. Everybody have to post their pictures in the WhatsApp group, okay? Hope you all have made this. The ones who want to show me quickly. I'm waiting for you all. Yeah,
Yes.
Kata, that's beautiful.
The rabbit. One more.
Beautiful. Anybody else who wants to show me? Naira, Revan, Mahi, Bhavish, Ane, Yash, Riyansh, Sai.
Ma'am,
Any-
I will do that.
What? I can listen. Again? Repeat it again. Oh wow. Manya, that's beautiful. Nice.
Do that.
Okay. Beautiful, Manya. Swapan, that's beautiful. Wow. You have used bread only for the ears? Ane, did you make it? Okay. So the ones who have shown me can off their cameras fast, quickly.
It's not the side.
Yash, that's Yash, very nice. Shanvi, lovely. Beautiful Shanvi, Yash.
No.
Okay. So hope all of you like this non-flame cooking. Yeah, Ahan, very nice. Rudraksha, beautiful.
Ma'am, Abhi made legs and hands, ma'am. He want to show you.
Okay, okay. Waiting.
अभी इसको खाना है मम्मा.
Beautiful. Abhigya, yeah. Very nice. Kanda, that's beautiful. Wow. Wow. Has done some decoration also. Beautiful. It's lovely.
Thank you, ma'am.
Wonderful. Very nice, Kata. Ahan, I've seen yours. It's beautiful. Krishna, yeah. Did you make it, Krishna? Wow, very nice. It's beautiful, Krishna. Thank you, Ma'am Anju. Thank you, Ma'am Anju.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Okay. So anyone who wants to show me quickly? Yeah, Han, I have seen yours. It's beautiful. Okay. So children, yeah, have a happy weekend, all of you. I hope all of you will complete it. Okay, the ones who haven't done, they can do it later on and you can share your pictures in the group. Okay, children? So I hope everyone enjoyed the Fun Friday activity.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. Wonderful.
Yes, ma'am.
So bye, children. Have a nice day. Bye, everyone. Have a nice day.
Ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
See you on Monday.
Sorry, sir.